Hello kids, welcome to the Curious Caterpillar. Today, let's learn about domestic animals. Domestic animals live with people and help us in many ways. Dog. Dogs are very loyal and friendly animals. They have a strong sense of smell, much better than humans. Every dog has a unique nose print, just like fingerprints. Cat. Cats are excellent jumpers and can jump very high. Their whiskers help them sense space even in the dark. Cats love to sleep and rest for many hours a day. COW. Cows give us milk which helps us grow strong. They have 4 stomachs to digest grass easily. Cows are calm and gentle animals. Goat. Goats love to climb hills and rocks. They can balance easily on small edges. Baby goats are very playful and active. Sheep. Sheep have thick wool on their bodies. They stay together in groups called flocks. Baby sheep are called lambs. Horse. Horses can sleep while standing. They can run very fast. Baby horses, called foals, can walk soon after birth. Hen. Hens lay eggs. They make clucking sounds. Hens live together in groups. Duck. Ducks have waterproof feathers. They have a flat bill to eat food easily. Ducks can swim very well. Pig. Pigs are very intelligent animals. They roll in mud to keep cool. Pigs have a strong sense of smell. Donkey. Donkeys are hard-working animals. They make a loud braying sound. Donkeys are strong and reliable. Buffalo. Buffaloes are very strong animals. They love to stay in water and mud. They also give us milk. Camel. Camels are called the ship of the desert. Their hump stores fat, not water. Camels can close their nostrils during sandstorms. Great job, kids! See you again on the Curious Caterpillar.